Off the coast of Antikythera, Greek divers found a corroded bronze mass from a shipwreck. It was considered one of the greatest mysteries ever found in the Mediterranean. When scientists studied it, they discovered dozens of precisely crafted gears inside, belonging to a technology that history claimed would only appear more than 1,000 years later. For over 100 years, scientists were helpless against this corroded bronze mass until AI intervened and analyzed it, recreating the entire machine and providing new information about ancient technology and civilization. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to explore these mysteries as they are solved by AI. One, AI deciphers the structure of 69 hyper-precise gears. The corroded bronze mass from the Antikythera shipwreck, discovered in 1900, contained around 69 gears, crafted with millimeter-level precision. Archaeologists initially thought this mechanical technology would only appear in Europe after the Renaissance, more than 1,000 years after the mechanism was created. Around the 2nd century BC, for over a century, models recreating this mechanism were often inconsistent, inaccurate, and failed to explain its function. Using artificial intelligence, scientists analyzed thousands of micro-CT images, recreating the entire gear system. The analysis revealed that the gears were designed to operate as an astronomical computer, predicting the positions of the sun, moon, and planets. The device was not a decorative object, but a complex calculating tool. This result shows that the ancient Greeks possessed mechanical technology far more advanced than previously understood. The Antikythera Mechanism provides evidence of the superior technical skill of the ancient world, changing the way we view the history of technology. Two, AI deciphers the Egyptian calendar and Saros cycle in the device. The surface of the Antikythera mechanism has a dual ring system, including one ring representing the zodiac for tracking constellations, and a ring based on the Egyptian calendar with a 365-day cycle. The back of the device includes 5 dials, operating based on the Saros cycle, a method for predicting solar and lunar eclipses that was only confirmed by modern science in the 16th century. AI analyzed the fragmented gears, compared them with ancient astronomical data, and confirmed that the device accurately predicted eclipses for years in advance. The device also adjusted for calendar drift, accounting for small inaccuracies in astronomical cycles. The Antikythera mechanism is a complex astronomical tool capable of performing calculations previously thought to only appear in the modern era. This shows that the ancient Greeks had a profound understanding of astronomy and the ability to apply it to mechanical technology. This device is a sky calculating tool from over 2,000 years ago, demonstrating a level of scientific achievement that was ahead of its time. Three, AI deciphers nearly completely faded Greek inscriptions. The Antikythera mechanism has approximately 15,000 ancient Greek characters inscribed on its bronze surface. But for over a century, only about 3,000 characters were deciphered due to fragments being worn, cracked, or broken. AI used pattern recognition and image processing technology to restore the characters on bronze fragments smaller than a fingernail. The results show that these characters are detailed instructions for use, including how to set the start date, how to read the dials, and a list of ancient Olympic festivals. This text indicates that the device was designed for practical operation, not just for display. Thanks to artificial intelligence, researchers now have a clearer understanding of how to use the mechanism, transforming it from a mysterious object into a complete astronomical tool. The Antikythera Mechanism shows that the ancient Greeks not only created advanced technology, but also provided instructions to ensure it could be used effectively. This demonstrates the sophistication in the design and the practical purpose of the machine. Four, AI deciphers an inter-civilizational knowledge network hidden in the device. Analysis shows that the Antikythera mechanism integrates knowledge from multiple ancient civilizations. The device's lunar cycle is based on Babylonian astronomical theory. The calendar corresponds to the Egyptian system. The bronze cutting technique has traces of Syria, while the inscriptions and festival references are linked to Corinth and Rhodes in Greece. Previously, these elements were viewed as separate, but the analysis proved they were combined in a unified design. This indicates that the mechanism is not just a product of the Greeks, but the result of knowledge sharing among civilizations around the Mediterranean. This combination could have occurred through trade, scholarship, or other forms of exchange. The Antikythera mechanism is evidence of an inter-civilizational knowledge network, showing that ancient civilizations had a higher level of cooperation than official historical records suggest. The device represents an integrated knowledge system, opening up new insights into cultural and technological exchange in the ancient world. 5. AI deciphers a warning and hidden coordinates. Using machine learning technology for deep analysis, researchers discovered small symbols on the Antikythera mechanism, which were initially thought to be decorative patterns, but were actually coordinates and mathematical formulas. Some symbols matched other areas around the Mediterranean, suggesting the possible existence of similar, yet undiscovered, devices. Artificial intelligence also reconstructed a piece of text that has been interpreted as a message, suggesting that the knowledge of the mechanism was too important to be concentrated in one place. Although this is a hypothesis and not fully confirmed, it suggests that the Antikythera mechanism could be part of a larger technological system. This indicates that the ancients may have intentionally concealed knowledge to protect it. The Antikythera mechanism is not just an archaeological artifact, but evidence of an advanced technology that may have been dispersed or lost. This discovery opens up the possibility that similar devices are still waiting to be found. The Antikythera mechanism, from a bronze mass at the bottom of the sea, is evidence of the technological and intellectual level of ancient civilizations. Analysis has clarified the device's structure, function, and origin, providing new information about human history. The device shows that ancient civilizations were capable of creating complex technology and sharing knowledge between regions. Which of these mysteries do you find most fascinating? Share in the comments below. Like this video if it provided you with new information, and subscribe to the channel to explore more mysteries.